Even while most people are still trying to get their hands on the current model, Apple is already deep into development on the next iPad Pro. That's how fast the tech world moves. The moment one device launches, the engineering team is already building its successor. Today, we're breaking down everything we know so far about the upcoming M6 iPad Pro and why it might just be the most powerful tablet Apple has ever engineered. To understand where we're going, let's look at where we are. The big design overhaul landed in 2024 with the introduction of the stunning tandem OLED display. Richer colors, deeper blacks, massive brightness, and promotion technology for ultra-smooth scrolling. At just 5.3 millimeters thin, the 13-inch model remains Apple's thinnest product ever made, while still delivering reliable 10-hour battery life. If you're expecting a brand new design, lower your expectations. Apple typically sticks to a chassis design for 4 to 5 years. Since the major refresh dropped in 2024, that slim aluminum body, the quad speaker setup, and the single Thunderbolt/USB-C port are locked in until at least 2028. The external hardware is staying put, meaning the real upgrades are happening entirely on the inside. The defining narrative of the next generation is performance. Here is what is rumored to be under the hood. The M6 chip, built on Apple's relentless upgrade cycle, expect a 15% to 20% boost in CPU performance. In real-world tasks like rendering multi-stream 4K video or exporting massive project files, every second counts. The 12-core GPU upgrade. For the last 2 generations, Apple capped the iPad Pro GPU at 10 cores. Rumors point to an upgrade to a 12-core GPU, unlocking console-level gaming, faster 3D rendering for engineers, and flawless high-resolution video editing. Standardized 16 gigabytes of RAM. Currently, you have to buy the expensive 1 terabyte or 2 terabytes models to get 16 gigabytes of RAM. Speculation suggests Apple may finally standardize 16 gigabytes across all storage tiers, providing a massive win for heavy multitasking and long-term future-proofing. Beyond raw processing power, Apple is focusing heavily on on-device intelligence and connectivity. Advanced Neural Engine, upgraded AI processing hardware will drive faster, more secure on-device tasks, from intelligent photo processing to advanced voice recognition without leaning on the cloud. Next-gen cellular chips, improved 5G connectivity and power efficiency for professionals on the move. The good news? A price increase is unlikely. Because Apple recently adjusted storage tiers, starting prices should remain stable for both the 11-inch and 13-inch lineups. While a late 2026 window is technically possible, a more realistic target is spring 2027, adhering to Apple's traditional 18-month iPad Pro refresh cycle. So, what does this mean for your wallet? If you're using an older device and need an upgrade today, the current M5 iPad Pro is an absolute powerhouse that will easily last for years. But if your workflow demands absolute cutting-edge performance, especially if those GPU and RAM rumors pan out, holding out for the M6 generation will be worth the wait. Do you think Apple's focus on internal hardware is enough? Or are you waiting for software changes like iPad OS to truly unlock this hardware? Let me know in the comments below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.